Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. A very good example of how a negative day turns into positive. I can clearly say today was a blessing in disguise. Bullish stocks performed very well, negative stocks took a beating. Let me go down to 15 minutes chart and we can see it opened on a negative note. This is the place where market opened. We saw a huge drop and check this out, right at our marked support zone we are seeing a recovery coming in. And market has recovered 100% of this drop to the downside. This is very positive. This indicates strong bulls in the market. Buyers defended the support area and proved that market is still bullish. Let's go back up to the daily chart again, and we know that this is our demand and supply zone that has been holding for a while. That is 4240. Actually now it has become our magic number. Market tries to break down but it's not successful. We are seeing closing right into our marked zone. So this is correct. Market is respecting this area. Today it came down till about 4200 and then again we are seeing closing above 4240. This is still positive, but there are very high chances this zone will be revisited sooner or later. Still, the bearish chart pattern is in play, that is head and shoulder pattern. If at all market closes below this zone, then there are very high chances then this chart pattern will be activated and there are chances it may even go down. As I mentioned, 4140 can be retested. In order to invalidate this chart pattern, I want to see a closing above 4300 zone. If at all we see a nice candle closing above this zone, this will confirm bearish chart pattern is invalidated, and from here market can continue its upside momentum 4360 and then it can even retest the peak that was at around 4400 points. For now we can see nice good recovery in DFM. I made money today in negative sentiments. I hope you did as well, as our selected stocks performed very well. Guys, if at all you are not selecting your stocks properly, you will definitely block your capital and miss out on opportunities in other stocks like Multiply, Q Holding and other stocks. So in case if you're not able to select bullish stocks or you don't know how to read the charts, join my YouTube membership with my stock recommendations with entries and exit. Link is in the description. Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index also performed very well. In fact, it performed better than DFM. Today it dropped below 9190 points. I was expecting it would retest this area that I have been mentioning, that is 9160. Let me go down to 15 minutes chart and here we can see a drop right at the time of opening. This is the red candle and from here it recovered more than 100%. Today's closing is at 9253. Very positive, very strong. We can see strong bulls in ADX as well. Thanks to bullish stocks today, they performed very well. We saw some nice breakouts and we made good money. Let me go up to daily again. And with today's closing, there are chances that it may continue its upside momentum. Next resistance is around 9320 and then we want to see a clearance of 9350. Obviously, as ADX is still trying to sustain, this is not a reversal. ADX is still trying to sustain at the support zone. Once we see a breakout of this area, that is around 9435, this is the resistance. From here we saw strong selling pressure in the market and index came down till about 9180 and from here it's just going sideways. It's sustaining. We can't say that bear trend or downward momentum has ended. But at the same time, let me tell you, there are very high chances it may continue its upside momentum from here. As I mentioned, when we see a closing above this zone, that is 9560 zone, that's when we can say market has recovered 50% of this drop to the downside, and from here we should see continuation to retest the previous swing, that is about 9800 points. ADX market is looking more impressive to me and there are many opportunities in ADX. Check this out, Multiply today hit both our targets and we booked profits as well. This is the area of resistance that I have been talking. First area of target was around 2.45 to 2.50. Second was around 2.65. With this solid green candle, today it has hit both our targets. Also, I had recommended this stock in my yesterday's video. Just in case if you have missed it, let me provide the iCard right here. Watch that video so that you can understand how you can prepare for the entry even when the market is negative so that you can take advantage to buy at the lower prices. This was quite expected after this green candle. Negative news broke in the market about the geopolitical situations, and then we were expecting it to come down till about 2.30 area, which I had already mentioned in my yesterday's video, and we saw it open somewhere around here, around 2.31. It touched 2.30 and then we are seeing solid buying pressure till about 2.71. Today obviously it has done limit up. Those who missed today's opportunity, now they will try and catch it right at the top, and from here there are very good chances it may come down for a correction, giving them losses. So do not try to be under any FOMO, that is fear of missing out. Wait for the right opportunities, plan your trades right at the breakout so that you can buy cheaper and then gain from this momentum, else you are just buying at the top, blocking your capital and missing out opportunities in other stocks. For now, say for example, if you're planning to buy right at the top or even somewhere around 2.65, your stop loss will be very bigger. Your risk to reward ratio will never match and you may fall into this trap. So again, to repeat, plan your positions carefully. Market is now turning bullish. I see many good opportunities in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Select your stocks carefully. Do not try to buy cheaper stocks that are going down. That's it guys for now. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.